We recently renovated our kitchen on a budget. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. In this video, I wanted to show you what we did to the old ceiling exhaust fan. I wanted to remove it because it made the kitchen look dated. Also, the previous owners had already installed an exhaust hood over the stove, so this made the ceiling exhaust fan redundant. After trying to switch it on, I found that the old owners had already disconnected it. On top of making the kitchen look old, it was also a fire hazard because it moved air from the kitchen straight into the roof cavity. It would have sucked up cooking oil fumes into the roof space, and if there was a fire, I expect that it would go right into the roof. Looking on Reddit, I see multiple posts showing that other people had also been having problems with these old ceiling exhaust fans, like these posts, wondering what to do when the fans had failed. So rather than just spend hundreds of dollars to hire a tradesman to patch up the hole, my solution was to put a ceiling speaker into the hole. I looked online for an all-in-one Bluetooth speaker rather than buying a speaker and separate amplifier with a Bluetooth receiver. I found this one by Lithe Audio. This is a 6.5-inch Bluetooth ceiling speaker, and it comes with a standard plug. I like that it comes with a plug because if it fails, in the future I can replace it myself without calling an electrician. The other great thing is that you can also buy a fire hood from the same company, and this helps in case of a fire to prevent the flames from entering the roof cavity. The speaker is a bit expensive, and there are cheaper options out there, such as this one I found on eBay. Or there's a larger speaker as well, by Power Dynamics, and it's 8 inches, which fills the hole better than the smaller speaker. To install, I got a piece of board and used a router to cut the hole. The Lithe Audio speaker came with a template to cut out the hole. I then used some construction adhesive to attach the board into place. Then the speaker was mounted onto this board. I got an electrician to install an outlet, and this was connected to a wall switch. It was very easy to connect my smartphone. And with the finished product, I think it looks great. And I also think it sounds great too.